Mario, I'm so bored today.
Yeah, what do you want to do today?
I don't know. Wait a minute. Why am I even saying today? It's like almost 10 o'clock. Wait a
Yeah.
minute. It is 10 o'clock. In fact, it's almost 11 o'clock. What'll happen to the universe? Go.
Sonic, you're being so dumb.
I know. So, can you go get me a glass of water?
What? Glass of water?
Yeah.
Okay.
On days like this, I just can't think of anything. I mean, we've done everything today. We've played multiplayer on 3DS. We've played on the Xbox. We've even played in the snow. Isn't there anything else to do? There is one thing. What? Hey, kid! What the? Who the hell are you? I'm Thomas, the tank engine! Generations. Stop. Sorry. What do you want? I want you to scratch my back. You don't even have a back. You're a train. I don't care. Scratch it. No, I am not scratching your back. So get out of here. No, I'm not getting out of here. You blue freak. You're the blue freak. Your show sucks. Who even watches Thomas and Friends? What is going on? Oh my goodness. Ah! Come back here, kid.
Oh, Sonic, I got you a glass of water. Oh, what?
I'm so scared. Wait a minute. Mario, what the hell is this?
It's a glass of water.
I said a glass, not a bowl. What am I, a dog?
No, I tried to find one, but I can't find one, so I give you.
The water doesn't matter. He's coming.
Wait, Woo!
Oh, my skittlers. Ow. Oh, hey guys. Sonic, what the butter biscuits is going on? Train. Scary. Ear rape. What? Wait a minute. You're talking about... Don't tell me you're talking about...
Let's go. Oh no.
Come here, kids.
Oh my god,
Let me give you some balloons.
Oh my god, run! Go, goddamn run! Go!
Ew. Ouch. Alright, so you need to tell me that a devilish Thomas the Tank Engine is attacking you guys? Yeah, it's true. I saw it with my own 2 eyes. Sonic, not to lie, but you look like a Cyclops. Shut up, you bird. Wait, where'd you even come from? And what's with that Old Spice deodorant? It's no time for Old Spice, Sonic. What does matter is that devilish train, and we need to get rid of it right now. How, though? Don't worry, I've got a plan. A plan that'll help us indeed! Go.
Stand back! I'm warning you!
Your blood will be good for my boiler, kid.
Never!
Yo, Wheels! What? Who? Who could that be this time? How's about you chew on this? Get it? Cause he's a train. Never mind. Ah! Wait, oh! Ow! Oh! Yeah, boy. You have to use me as a weapon. Shut up! Alright, you little twerp. Now you gotta get out of here. Yeah. Oh, no. Wait a minute. Where am I? Well, that takes care of that. Well, I'm gonna become bored once again. All I wanted was a glass of water, but you gave me a bowl of water. Man, you guys really suck. Why did you guys have to do this to